Sahisin liang ka St. Peter's High Secondary School kara ka nam la do lani overall champion ha Lympung district level inter-school sports meet ka balai pho palapaniat da ka district sports officer West Kasil district ringkan bat ke NDSCA anong pathar stadium kanam la do sha ka St. Peter's High Secondary School ka de hadien bakla kurbon e ki point ne ki kerdan jingi le kai ba pher ki bladap ban pelong ha ki ne ki lai singi kenti kata ne do ka singi palang ka bade ar kulai tereng Nelor kanam la do Shaka School St. Peter's High Secondary School kidan kiwei pat ki khusnam bakham karpang ki bakenthum ya ka best under 14 boys Lucky John Linkhoi jang ka Bethel Presbyterian Secondary School but best under 14 girls Shaka Merciful Young jang ka Borsing Memorial Secondary School nang ta best under 16 boys layo da u one taker pang Marbanyang jong ka Sipsing High Secondary School but best under 16 girls Shaka Dolly Lingdo Nonglan jong ka Bosco Secondary School Shushu ha ka best under 18 boys layo da u Pinshai Manik Karbani jong ka Sipsing High Secondary School but best under 18 girls Shaka Yoris Sim jong ka Maurang Secondary School Rambrai ya kana best team under 14 boys layo da ka Nongston Public Secondary School but under 14 girls da ka Borsing Memorial Secondary School best team under 16 boys layo da ka St. Peter's High Secondary School but best team under 16 girls layo da ka Maurang Secondary School Rambrai ha ka under 18 boys layo best team da ka Sipsing High Secondary School but under 18 girls layo da ka Maurang Secondary School Rambrai ya kana amlado ha ka March pass layo da ka Mount Herman Academy Secondary School Nongston but ya kana ba layo da ka Nongston College Higher Secondary School section ya kini ki khusnam layo bansam da ikong Dar Lane Khonglam Sports Officer Office of the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ibadeiru ikong san ibalawan kanang man ay min sim ay kuble bat penkut ya kani ka Lympung pamintau snem kiwei pat kibaladan benta hakabasam yaki kusnam kilong i district sports officer West Khasi Hills kong bala rina sim nang ta kinong shakot snowba ki principal kino hikay bat kiwei
Pasang Marquez 16 category
So a round of applause to all the participating schools and the teachers, the principals for being a part of the district level inter-school athletic meet. Because we all know this is the right platform for our young boys and girls to shine and also to showcase their talents and skills in the field of athletics. I'm happy to know that we have 26 schools taking part in this athletic meet. And I hope that you have learned so much from this district level inter-school athletic meet. We all know that sports play a vital role in our lives, promoting physical fitness, mental well-being, social benefit, character development and personal growth. As school-going children, you should know that sports and academics are equally important, because both contribute to the nourishment of a child. You just need to follow your dreams. You need to work hard, be disciplined, make sure that you balance yourself and have a balanced approach both in sports and academics.